So I start off by sorting out everything from my pantry, taking everything out, and that way I can see what I wanted to keep, what was expired, and what I wanted to throw away. So once I emptied out my entire pantry, I started to place my clear containers more or less where they would be best used, and getting my old containers, which as you can see are not see-through, and just kind of now started to sort out and organize everything. So I'm super happy how it came out.
Are you?
I am super happy. I put here the extra things that I didn't fill up that I have for here. And cereals. I kind of kept everything the same, but I like how I'm able to like label the stuff. Snacks. My kids are humongous snackers, if you haven't realized. And now I see all the different peanut butters that I actually have, and I always think I don't have any peanut butter. And these I love for the cans, because how many times you just keep stacking up the stuff, especially like in the corners, and you have no idea what you have. So love this. Love it. And here I have my rice, all the boxing stuff, but you can clearly see everything's more bulky on the bottom, and stuff I rarely use on there. It's just like restocking and stuff. And pasta. Love it. So overall, guys, I'm really excited how my pantry came out. It's been about 2 years since we redid our kitchen and I reorganized everything, but with 2 kids, things get disorganized quickly, and so I felt like definitely I needed a reorganization. And I really love the clear containers because I can see exactly what's there. Before, now I have like all these other containers, but you cannot see what was in there, so things were just piling up and not even knowing what I had. So I most definitely recommend the clear containers. If you have any other tips of organization, please let me know, because I definitely am going to be starting to organize every room in my house. So yes, let me know. I'm going to be doing my refrigerator next. I got a few clear containers for that as well, but let me know if you guys like this video.